Short Algo here, and today is December 8th. Today we're going to be doing a review of some of the trades and the alerts that we received yesterday. The specific tickers we're referencing are AQB, APTO, OBLN, TNXP, EVK, and Kodak. And we're going to look at this across the 1-minute chart as well as the 15-minute chart. So here are some of the calls. The top line is bullish, where you see AQB, APTO, and NDM. And AQB went up 14% since our alert, APTO 15%, and NDM 12%. And then for the bearish calls, OBLN 21% down, TNXP 18% down, EVK 50% down, and Kodak 11.32%. So now we're going to be looking specifically at the charts, and just for reference for those who are currently using Short Algo, we are using a range of between 9 and 11 for these charts, depending on the chart that is being referenced. This one, for example, APTO has a range of 9, and we're looking at 15 minutes. But for others that are a little bit more aggressive, we zoom in and zoom out of the timeline. This one's looking at the 1 minute as an example. But here you can see when we received the buy signal, and as an example here, it was at 6:42, and then you would have potentially wanted to exit just before the short signal came in place. So when it started to downtrend, that would have been somewhere in the ballpark of $8.09. We also saw a short squeeze here. It was a very nice short squeeze, went from a price of $8.20 all the way through to $11.23. And if you didn't have this application, you could have potentially been caught multiple times and squeezed out for some pretty nice profits here. So this is the stock ticker AQB. Right now, we still have the short signal in place. It's trying to find support, but it's still good to hold as a short. APTO, here you can actually see our buy signal, so another epic short squeeze from $4.65 all the way through to $7. Then we got our short signal early, dropped massively from $6.69 all the way through to $3.94, 50% drop. Then the buy signal for this, we're looking again at the range of 9 and the 15-minute chart. OBLN, another one. This one's got a history of tanking. We saw it in the past on December 2nd, and nothing new. It's doing the same movements on the 7th of December. So multiple opportunities for swinging buy short, still a short signal in place. Again, 15-minute chart with a range of 9. Looking at some of the other tickers over here, we're looking at TNXP. Again, good history of running some swings with the Short Algo, very simplified signals for buying and shorting. Right now, very strong short signal. When we received it, it was around the ballpark of 83 cents, and right now it's touching 66 cents. So big drop there. Some of the other tickers we look at are EVK. We saw that it touched the resistance lines of $6.75, and we didn't open up a position until we actually saw the short signal come up, and there we saw that it fell from $7.94 all the way through to $3.37. So huge drop. This is what it looks like zoomed in. But again, multiple opportunities for swing trading. Usually with this type of a chart, I like to move over to the 30-minute because there it's a little bit more simplified. And again, you constantly have to be adjusting the ranges and the timetables to make sure that it matches the chart that you're referencing. But here you can actually see where the buy and the short signals give you ample notice of entry and exit. And now this is the real test, Kodak. Kodak, you can see when we received our short signal, and specifically this had a massive run up. This went all the way up to $13.95 from $7.46, 100% increase. And then we saw our short signal from the time we received the short signal, entered and exited position on the 15-minute chart. There was an opportunity to secure 11-12% returns in a short trade. We usually recommend that customers focus initially at least on securing quick wins, so 3 to 5% returns on each trade. Always have a stop loss and an exit strategy. and this way you'll mitigate your losses and always come out ahead and benefit from these parabolic movers. Again, looking at our application, we offer a free trial that's available 7 days. We also have stock screeners listed on our website, which show the gainers and the losers of the day. So please go there and check it out. Also like the video if you like what you heard today. Thank you for watching the technical video. We do have a 7-day free trial available, so please get started. This tool is designed to help traders easily identify buy and short opportunities across stocks listed on the New York Stock Exchange, NASDAQ, and CBOE. Short Algo merges 15 unique indicators into simplified signals that are delivered in real time. Get started at Short Algo. Short Algo is not a registered investment advisor, broker-dealer, or a member of any association for other research providers in any jurisdiction, and we are not qualified to give financial advice. Trading in financial securities is highly speculative and carries an extremely high degree of risk.